All right, welcome everybody. This is Siddharth Shah, CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. Welcome again. वापस आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे कार्नेगी क्लब ऑफ सक्सेस में. आज एक बहुत यंग हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट आए हैं जिन्होंने सब रिकॉर्ड्स ब्रेक करके हाईएस्ट एवर रिकॉर्ड किया है इन कोरोना टाइम्स. हिज नेम इज पलाश सेठी फ्रॉम स्मॉल टाउन आस्था करके एक टाउन है नियर इंदौर इन मध्य प्रदेश. He's very young, dynamic entrepreneur hai, or he's a financial advisor. And why don't I let Palash introduce and congratulate him and give his introduction. Palash ji, welcome, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. I'm Palash Sethi. I'm certified mutual fund advisor, and as well as I'm teaching to the students from last 7 years. This is my passion, so I'm imparting knowledge to them.
Wow, very nice. I mean, आप बहुत यंग लगते हो यार. आप खुद स्टूडेंट लगते हो. क्या क्या उम्र है आपकी पलाश जी?
I'm just 28 years old.
You're just 28. Wonderful. And you are your mutual fund advisor and you are teaching students को भी पढ़ा रहे हैं आप. आपकी पैशन है तो बहुत बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं. मुझे बताइए कि एकेडमी, आप हमारे एकेडमी में कभी आप ज्वाइन हुए और क्या परिवर्तन आया आपके जीवन में? कुछ शेयर करेंगे आप हमारे साथ?
एकेडमी में 31 जुलाई को ज्वाइन हुआ था मैं. इट वाज जस्ट कोइंसिडेंट. मींस मैं कुछ वेबसाइट सर्व कर रहा था तो उस पे आपका एकदम थिंक एंड ग्रो रिच का कुछ आया. एंड आफ्टर रीडिंग दैट सो आई केम टू नो दैट कि ठीक है, चलो इस पे अप्लाई कर देना चाहिए. Then after attending 2 hours session, then also I was a little bit confused. But next day when I got the call from your side and I shared each and everything, then after that I was feeling a lot of changes in my life. Earlier there was a lot of negative thoughts which were in my mind regarding various things. Like there were various people who were saying some of the things I was taking action to. I was unable to take action to certain things, certain thoughts which were in my mind. But now after joining the program, really feeling changes, a lot of changes in my life.
Very nice. Amazing. Thank you so much for trusting us. तो क्या सक्सेस स्टोरी मिली आपको? कुछ शेयर करेंगे कि आपने कुछ हाईएस्ट एवर रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किया और कुछ बताएंगे हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए प्लीज.
प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करने से पहले, बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग प्रोग्राम, आई वाज नॉट हैविंग क्लियर सेट ऑफ गोल्स. I was having a lot many thoughts. I should start this, I should start that, but I was not at all taking action to them. There was various thoughts which were rising in my mind, but I don't know what kind of fear was stopping me. Some kind of fear कि हाँ ऐसा सोचेंगे लोग, क्या सोचेंगे, ये क्या हो जाएगा. And because of few of the negative people who were saying a lot many things, my total concentration was over that. But even the competitors also were trying a lot of many other things. But now after joining the program, not only one, not only two, but in all the areas of my life, I got a change. The first one was that and after joining the program, it's nearly about 84 days, and not even single negative thought is in my mind. Even if any person is saying any negative, no, I'm correcting that person. I'm saying that person, no, not. Or I am not letting that negative thought arise, enter into the mind. Then talking about the action, means I finally started taking actions on various things, like the action for which my one of the dream before 7 years it was there, that I wanted to set up some educational institution or something of which gives the quality to the students. Although I was working for that, but I haven't taken the action step to set up anything. But after that, I am now able to set up my own platform, or online platform. It's all almost done. Only the contents are to be ready. Online setup is there, and as well as my own brand name I have made, which is not at all shared with any of the person until now. That
Wow.
will be grand opening.
Wow.
And I have registered a trademark also for that, so that no one else can use it.
Of course.
Apart from that, the power of going extra mile. You have really taught me that what is the extra mile and what energy we are getting while we are giving the extra mile. What are the benefits of going the extra mile?
Right.
Being a certified advisor, I used to give advice to many people, but many people were focusing or believing that the share market is not a place where we should earn. But even I was saying to them, I was convincing them, but very few people were okay, yes, okay, we are giving you money and we are starting this thing. But what actually happened now after program, many people, I'm going the extra mile. I'm providing free of service to everyone in my status or else many places. and I'm helping them how to have the financial literacy. I'm improving their literacy.
Right.
So there were many people who were not who were newly to the share market and all, and they were willing to know how to apply for IPO. But even although that people were not my clients, but then also I have gone the extra mile. I have helped them even if they called me at night 1 p.m., 1 a.m.
Wow.
Then also I said, okay, yes, you do in this manner without thinking anything. Okay, expectation written. But the benefit which I got out of it, I myself got the allotment of the IPO, and to which
Got
I
the
just double
allotment.
my money from the IPO.
You got the
Yeah, yeah,
allotment.
yeah, yeah. It was just means just double, means 110 times of the return I got within just 3 days from 1st to
Wow.
3rd September.
Congratulations.
This was the power of going the extra mile, which you have thought in your program. Then about the negative thoughts, means the same incidents which were happening with me before. Some of the incidents, some of the students, if they were saying something, then my mindset was like that. I got certain anger, and was thinking, how dare he say to me like that? And my focus was only on that things. But after joining the program, no, the same incident happened with me, the same things, but my way of perception or my way of reaction to that particular thing was totally different. I just let it go. Okay, there's
Amazing.
no any okay, let it be, let him say that thing.
Amazing.
And apart from that also, means in the reading club which we have formed in our MMA.
Yeah.
So reading club,
What
it's
is
nearly
the
about
MMA, Palash, for the viewers? What is MMA? I mean, our viewers will know
uh,
what is MMA.
MMA is basically Mastermind Alliance, the group of people with the same goal or same thought process. So each of them are working together for the achievement of one common goal, so that each and everyone will be benefited out of it.
Beautiful.
So means I'm having my own MMA for financial advisor, means for investments and all in my own town, and having some other that reading club, which is in the early in the morning at 6 a.m. So 6:30 a.m. So I'm daily, means it's nearly about 50 days that I'm continuously waking up on time, and then we are sharing a lot many things. Means a lot of improvement is there in my life after thinking that.
Right.
Then one of the program was there MLM based.
Yeah.
I was very weak in convincing and influencing the people
Right.
regarding their financial literacy or regarding any other thing, so that they can purchase something from me in terms of insurance policy or in terms of mutual fund and all. But there was MLM concept, and someone introduced it to me. I was not knowing that how it would be and whatever. In the COVID time, in the lockdown time, as I'm my totally career, means 90% of my earning depends on that only, in teaching.
Yeah.
So even from the school also, if I'm not now, I'm getting 50% of what I'm used to get.
Yes.
And apart from that, there is no any coaching and all, nothing is now there. Then also what actually happened now on 15th of August, after joining, just after 15 days of joining your program, and after applying all the things what you were saying,
Yeah.
what change I felt, that someone said to me to join that MLM, and I joined it, and now my earning is more than what it used to be
Okay. Got it.
overall. It is more than that, and it's not more, means 2 महीने भी खत्म नहीं हुए उसको अभी,
जी,
and it's more than overall. And I'm really feeling a lot of change, because my 1 year was very positive, the other year was very down, the next year is means odd even in that manner. But now it's the constant 2 years, even after the COVID, even after the negative situation, even after the pandemic, I'm feeling now,
Wow.
yes, this is the best year, this is the best uh, time that I have met, and I have joined this institute, and have made a lot of positive changes in my life. Even I haven't fought with any of the person, even in my family also, no argument was there. I let it go.
So you have become a different person, Palash. I can see that. And Corona maybe is bad, but pandemic and the lockdown has been good for you, and you have completely transformed as a person. You have multiplied your business. You have multiplied your income. You have joined new stream of income of MLM. You have got some record-breaking sales in that. No negative thoughts. Getting up in the morning and reading and having like-minded people. So let me ask, Palash. Is our program, this 90-day program, is it like any other online program in the market, or what is the difference of our program with all the other programs? What is so special about our programs? क्या फर्क
Basically,
है?
I mean, Basically, I haven't joined many of the programs, only once or twice, but there were programs where just like 1 hour or 2 hour sessions. And with that, what actually happened now, if we are attending 1 or 2 hour session, so the energy is for the next 24 or 48 hours, only that much. But after joining this program, no, I practically started implementing the process, implementing the process of what all things you are saying, how to manage time, how to be productive, how to have the burning desire. That burning desire really means made a turnaround all the things. And the thought process, how we have to keep our thought process, and what the process means. It's totally about the process where each and every people are helping to you. Means not even a single person is there who is talking about the negative. Even if you want to achieve something which is beyond your capacity, but you are definitely going to achieve it because of the power of mastermind, because of the sessions which you are taking. Even I'm waiting for every Fridays when you're taking that session. I'm telling my wife, I'm telling to my family members, okay, don't disturb me over this time from this 8 p.m. to 10 or to 11. I will not be there to entertain you there.
Right.
So means a lot of changes are there, and I started finally taking actions, and new horizons are opening for me. Means new opportunities. I'm not thinking much to accept or to adopt that opportunities.
Right.
I take action directly.
Awesome, great. So, what if someone, our viewer, wants to think and he's having some doubt whether should they join this program? What would be your advice or your tip on this? That what would you say to them, that whether it's worth the money, the investment, the time, money, energy invested? What do you think? What do you think would be your advice to them?
What I think that if you will not take action now, if you have the procrastination, then जो चीज आपने सोची है, जो चीज आप चाह रहे हो करना, वो आप लाइफ लॉन्ग तक अचीव नहीं कर पाओगे अगर आप ये एक्शन नहीं लेते टू एंटर इनटू द एकेडमी राइट नाउ. Don't think about money matter, don't think about anything but the results which you are getting, the benefit you are getting out of the money which you are paying for it. It's multiplied thousands of times, because here the benefit you are getting for the lifelong. The lifelong mentorship is there from the Siddharth sir, and he's going the extra mile to give a lot many things for us, and that community is very powerful.
Yes.
To make a lot of changes in your life. You will feel that I am feeling, you will feel that there will be a lot of change.
Awesome. I think the kind of conviction से जो आप बोल रहे हो, जो एक विश्वास से आप बोल रहे हो, Palash, I think that really speaks volume. Thank you so much for your kind words. Palash, so what is there for you in the future? अभी आप बहुत young हो, आगे बहुत सारी चीजें आपको हासिल करनी है. Something which you want to share about your goals, whatever way you want to share, कुछ आपको बताना है. And some final words from your end कि आपको क्या आपकी जिंदगी में आगे क्या करना है.
The first thing is that I had a dream from last 7 years to change the education concept, education system. I'm not able to change the education system all around India, but at least at my place, at least the new horizon, the new step I have taken to go anywhere. Means I now on the online platform I can teach anywhere. So that is my dream, to give a lot many things to the student to change their mindset. Not only education doesn't mean that you only give all the rectification and all such things, but it's what actually you are implementing in your life.
Yeah.
That was the power of specialized knowledge which we studied in this group also. Right. That even although you can bring a lot of changes, I have to be a investor, successful investor in my future. Right. So that I, with my story, can inspire others and can lead a happy life for others also and for myself also.
Awesome, amazing goal. I think hats off to you at the age of 28, having this vision that how can you contribute, how can you go the extra mile, how can you have the discipline, how can you have the right mindset, how can you just ignore what's happening which is not conducive for your mindset, but what is focusing on right positive mindset. I mean, these are the qualities which are all qualities of the winner, Palash. And I think you are already a big winner. You are the underdog or the dark horse, which I can see. I mean, you got लंबी रेस के आप घोड़े हो जो कहाँ ना कहाँ definitely अपना मुकाम बनाएंगे जिंदगी में. I really want to give you lots and lots of my good wishes, and I congratulate you that you trusted our academy और आप आए हमारी एकेडमी में और इतनी अपने एफर्ट्स लिए ट्रस्ट करके, और काफी लंबा साथ में हम जाएंगे, आगे भी बहुत लंबा हम साथ में असर करेंगे. So
the total credit goes to you. Really means I haven't thought in my mind that I would get in my life such a mentor who is totally focused on bringing the change in life of the people. And you are the one who are really working very hard to bring that change in the life, and not only by saying but by practically applying those things in the lives of people and changing that. Means totally I'm really feeling a lot of positivity within me.
Thank you so much, Palash, for your kind words. This is Palash Sethi from Astha town near Indore in Madhya Pradesh. 28-year-old young dynamic entrepreneur. Not just a certified financial advisor, but उनका जो विजन है कि एक बार जो स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाते भी है वो पैशन भी कर रहे हैं, मल्टी नेटवर्क MLM मार्केटिंग में भी एक ऑल्टरनेट सोर्स ऑफ इनकम किया, डिसिप्लिन लाई और सुबह उठते जल्दी उठते, पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट. COVID pandemic times में one of the best phases of his life. This is what happens once you enter the academy. It is not like any other online program. If you wish to make a difference in your life, अगर आपके जीवन में परिवर्तन लाना है और चाहिए कि आपको ये सीक्रेट समझ में आए कि what is Think and Grow Rich, then click on the link below और आइए हमारी academy में and make sure that you register for our next program. Like करिए, subscribe करिए, share करिए हमारे YouTube channel को, because we are committed for your goals. This is Siddharth Shah. Thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you once again, Palash, for
Thank you so much, sir.
giving your time. Welcome to the Carnegie Club of Success. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye. See you then. Bye.